Hello everyone, my name is Sahaj Bhaskar. Today it's 38th day of practicing 10-minute spoken English without any preparation, without taking any notes, without making any notes and without thinking too much. I speak whatever comes in my mind. On the spot I speak. So now let's start. So today I am sharing my incident when I was in 12th class. Okay, first of all, you should know about my 10th class. I completed my 10th from private school. What its name is Rao Mansaram Public School. It is located in Kapasheda, New Delhi. When I completed my class 10th from Rao Mansaram Public School, then it's lockdown time, and my exam was over before the lockdown. So I was waiting for the result. All the students who were giving the exam at that time, they all waiting for the result. They all were waiting for the result. So when the time I got result, I got passed in my class 10th. Then I decided to shift my school. After that I searched a lot about schools, and sometimes I used to go Delhi by bicycle. It's about 30 kilometer I used to travel with bicycle for getting the admission in Delhi University, for getting the admission in Delhi school, Delhi government school. But I didn't succeed. So I decided to apply for the Kendra Vidyalaya Sector 14 school. Then I applied it, and because it's lockdown time, it's quarantine, and so um, minimal people applied for their children to get admission in the Kendra Vidyalaya Sector 14 school. Many less people applied for the admission. So uh, so I applied, and my all friends applied for the admission, for getting the admission in the Kendra Vidyalaya Sector 14 school, and they all get they all get admission in the Kendra Vidyalaya Sector 14. And after getting the admission, school teacher was taking our online class. So I didn't have any phone at that time, so I purchased new phone for taking my class online. And after purchasing, I downloaded all the apps, Zoom, where the class would be taken. So after online classes, I used to half year means 6th month, I used to take classes online for about 6 months. Then uh, half half term examination, sorry, it's not half term examination, it's what can we say, midterm exam. Then they taken midterm exam through offline. They all the time they were used to study, they were used to teach online, but when it's came to exam, they took on offline exams. So in 11th class I didn't got good marks because I didn't study at all, and those marks I got through cheating. I got through writing some things which is unwanted, which is unnecessary for about the topic. So I got some marks. Then after, when I came in that class 12, I started studying in the beginning of the class. And at that time I remembered, I took sorry it's not took I attended coaching for accountancy subject and economics. Then in accountancy I got interest. After entering in accountancy, uh, became my favorite subject. One of the favorite subject is my account. So I got really good marks in accountancy subject, and business also. In business management of business principles also I got good marks. But I got very low marks in English. I didn't like English. I I didn't know about English at that time, but still I got 60 out of 100. But in accountancy I got 91 out of 100, 8800 in business, and then I didn't remember at that time. So after my class 12, because I got good marks, approx I got 82.5% in the class 12. So then I decided to apply for chartered accountancy exam, and that was my biggest mistake, because at that time I thought that chartered accountancy is about accountancy. I thought like that, but it not about only accountancy, because I had interest in accountancy, so that I thought that type, or thought like that. Then when I applied for the chartered accountancy exam, then I also got also attended BCA, Bright Commerce BCC, Bright Commerce classes. Attended BCC for Chartered Accountancy exam, and there I knew about what is Chartered Accountancy. It has also include business law, economics, English, and accountancy. First time I got failed in law and English, because I had only interest in accounts. That's why I applied for chartered accountancy exam. But it is also about economics and business law also. So there, and after I failed, then I decided to appear again. And at that time, I focused on the law and economics also, as well as accountancy and math. Oh, I forget about one subject, math, which is the headache, which was the headache for me while appearing chartered accountancy exam. I got failed in a math exam and business law first time, and in my first exam. Then when I applied again, then I appeared again for the chartered accountancy exam. I again failed, but this time I only failed in math subject. So it was detrimental for me. I don't I didn't know that what to do next. My friend Abhishek Kumar, who used to told me, please took admission in Delhi University for BCom honors, for any courses, but took admission in Delhi University regular by giving CUT exam. But I listening into the wind to him. But then after I failed twice in exam, then I decided to took admission in Delhi University. And according to my friends, I gave CUT exam. Then I got college also, and I got Shivaji College off campus. And when the time I entered in the college, and it was ecstatic for me. My first day was amazing. I made many friends on that day. And first semester, after first semester, and it's become boring for me. It became boring for me. I didn't want to go college. by traveling 2 hours daily by bus. So I quit it, and this was also my biggest mistake. I quit it, and and then I didn't knew let let them I didn't let them my parents know about it. So my parents got angry when they found out I quit my college. But what they do, they ignore, and after some time they forget about it. They forgot about it. Then after 1 year, you can see I wasted my 3 year. First, I appeared in charter accountancy exam, failed. Again, again applied, then again failed. Then I appeared in, then I applied for admission in Delhi University, and I got success. But after 1 year, I quit my college, and now this time I am working job in a Honda showroom as a sales executive while preparing for my graduation exam from DUSOL, Delhi University School of Learning, School of Open Learning, and as well as I am learning proficiency in English from Rise Academy. And after next month, from next month, when I got my salary, when I will get my salary, then I will also take digital marketing classes, because at that time I know that digital marketing is the future. Digital marketer makes can make very good amount of money by learning digital marketing. Now it's 12 minutes completed. Today I speak like a speaker. I can see I am improving. Now it's over for today.